Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to install Ubuntu 22.04 LTS on your VMware Workstation. So if you are new to our channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon to receive the notification for our upcoming videos. So the first thing you need to do is as you can see that I'm currently in the home section of VMware Workstation, and you can see the button which says create a new virtual machine. So if you cannot see this page on your VMware, you can go to file section and click on new virtual machine, or you can press Ctrl plus N button from the keyboard. So I will click on this link, which will launch the visit for creating new virtual machine. So there are two types of configuration available here. The first one is typical, which is the recommended way of creating the virtual machine, and the other one is custom, which is more advanced level of customization. So you can configure SCSI controller types, virtual disk types, and compatibility with old VMware products. So I am going to choose the recommended one, which is typical, and click on next. So here it is asking VMware is asking to provide the ISO file for installing the guest operating system. So I have already downloaded Ubuntu 22.04 on my PC. So if you have not downloaded yet, you can follow the link in the description, or you can go to Google and type in Ubuntu 22.04 download. The first link which will come in front of you will be the official download link from ubuntu.com. You can click on that link and download your copy of Ubuntu 22.04. So once your download is completed, you can navigate back to VMware and click on browse to the location where you have downloaded, and double click to open the ISO file. As you can see that it has detected Ubuntu 22.04 64-bit. I will click on next. Here it is asking to name our virtual machine. I will name this machine as Ubuntu 22.04 LTS 64-bit. So this is where it will store the data for our virtual machine. I will choose I will browse to this directory and create a new folder there for this virtual machine, which says Ubuntu VM storage. So this is the storage for our virtual machine. So select this folder and click on OK. So all the data for my virtual machine will be stored in this folder. So click on next once you are done. So here it is asking for the maximum disk size. So I will choose 40 GB for my Ubuntu 22.04, but the recommended size for this version is 20 GB. So I will type in 40 and click on next. So this is the final step for creating our new virtual machine. As you can see, the details we have configured earlier, and you can also customize this later on. I will click now on finish, and so as you can see that our new virtual machine has been created, and you can see the virtual machine properties like memory and like network adapter, which is currently selected as net. You can change it to something else like bridged or anything else by clicking on this link. I'm not going to change any parameter right now. I will close this dialog box and proceed to the installation by powering up this virtual machine. So once this virtual machine boots up with the installation media, it will ask whether we want to install or try Ubuntu. So as you can see, it is asking whether we try or install Ubuntu. I will click keep it selected and hit enter from the keyboard. So it has launched our Ubuntu virtual machine, and it will now proceed with the installation of Ubuntu. So the process of installation is quite similar if you are planning to install it on your physical machine like laptop or desktop. The process is very much similar. So this is the screen where it is asking whether we want to install Ubuntu or we want to try Ubuntu. So I wish to install Ubuntu, so I will click on this link to proceed for the installation. So here it is asking us to choose your keyboard layout. I will leave it to the default, which is already selected. So if you are not sure which keyboard layout is yours, you can always click on this button which says detect keyboard layout and press the keys available on your keyboard. So for example, I will press the keys which I see are available on my keyboard, and it will automatically detect the keyboard layout for me. So if any key is not available, I will click on no, and just like this. So you got the idea. I will close this dialog box and click on continue to proceed further for the installation process. So here it is asking whether we want to install a normal installation where we have web browsers, utilities, office, and other parameters available, and the other one is minimal installation. Where you have only web browser and basic utilities. So I will go for normal installation, and I will also select this option which says install third-party softwares by clicking on this checkbox and click on continue. Next it is asking to confirm the installation type and click on install now button. It is again asking us to confirm to write the changes to the disk, and I will click on continue. Next it will ask for the location of this machine, and I'm currently based in Karachi, so I will leave it to default and click on continue. So here it is asking who are you to enter the username for who is going to use this machine. I will type in techcat and type in the user password for this user account. I will also rename my computer's name to something simple. Kindly make sure that there are no spaces in between the username, as it will not accept, like so, and click on continue. So the installation process will take a couple of minutes. So I will fast forward the video or clip the video to make it shorter. You can sit back while you are installing and enjoy your cup of coffee while installation finishes. So as you can see, that installation is now completed, and installation complete message is appeared on in front of you. So you need to reboot now. Click on this button to reboot the virtual machine. So the process of installation of Ubuntu is quite similar if you are installing it on your hardware, and you can follow this process to install it on your physical servers or machines. So I will skip this process of connecting online accounts and click on next and help improve Ubuntu. I will click on next. Ubuntu privacy location services, I will accept the defaults, and you can install these softwares from the softwares portion of the Ubuntu. I will click on done to close this box window. So this is how you install Ubuntu on your VMware workstation. I hope this video has been informative for you. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to receive the notification for upcoming videos.